Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add iTunes music to Filmora application. You can add music to your videos in the Filmora app from iPhone directly using your iTunes library. So here is how you can do it. Open the Filmora application on your mobile device, on your iPhone. Now, go ahead and create a new project or open up an existing project you'd like to work on. Once you're inside the main timeline page, go to the audio option at the bottom of the screen. This will display various options for adding sound to your video. Tap the music button at the bottom left and click on the Mine option. Now inside the Mine option, select iTunes. You will now need to allow Filmora to access your iTunes library. Tap on Allow to proceed. Now, if you have music inside your iTunes, it will be displayed on the screen. Choose your available song by browsing through the list and find the song you want to use in your video. Once you've chosen the song, you will need to tap on the plus button right next to the song and the music will now be added to your timeline. You can drag the edges of your music in order to fit the duration of your video in order to cover the entire video with the music. You can now play your video and enjoy. So that is how you will be able to add iTunes music to Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.